Hey kids, today, we're going to learn about different car models. We'll practice spelling and identifying car models as we discover how amazing they are. Let's get started and zoom into the world of cars. Sedan. S-E-D-A-N sedan. SUV. S-U-V, SUV. Truck. T-R-U-C-K truck. Coupe. C-O-U-P-E coupe. Convertible. C-O-N-V-E-R-T-I-B-L-E convertible. Hatchback. H-A-T-C-H-B-A-C-K hatchback. Van. V-A-N van. Pickup. P-I-C-K-U-P pickup. Sports car. S-P-O-R-T-S C-A-R sports car. Minivan. M-I-N-I-V-A-N minivan. Jeep. J-E-E-P Jeep. Electric car. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-C-A-R electric car. Limousine. L-I-M-O-U-S-I-N-E limousine. Taxi. T-A-X-I taxi. Cars are everywhere, and each model is made for a different job. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.